wishing the whole team of Saima good luck and all success. Moving ahead, we are very proud to have with us some special invitees from our Tollywood, special invitees from Malaysia. So let's welcome Mr. Rana. Rana gariki okkasari gattiga chappadlu. Mana Hyderabadi style, please. Welcome, Rana garu. May I also invite on stage Director Marketing, Mr. Thirumal Reddy garu on stage. May I request Saima Chairperson, Mrs. Brinda Prasad, to please come onto the dais. Well, as we all are aware that Saima has been traveling every year to different destinations to celebrate Saima. Well, last 2 years they've traveled all across the Middle East, Dubai, Sharjah, and now Saima is again traveling to another city, enthralling city, a lively and a vibrant city, Malaysia. Malaysia గురించి మనందరికీ తెలుసు, చాలా మంది మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాము ఎంత బ్రైట్ గా ఎంత కలర్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందో. So the city of joy, and let's visit Malaysia quickly, shortly.
I clearly remember approximately a year back, my colleague Mr. Mano from our office in Mumbai gave me a call and said that there's an opportunity to bring down Saima to Malaysia. And it was something that we were dwelling for some time because 2014 was a Visit Malaysia year 2014. It was a big year for us in terms of bringing tourists to Malaysia. This year we expect about 28 million tourists to visit Malaysia. And we come from a population of slightly more than 28. We have 29 million population in Malaysia. So that's 1 Malaysian to 1 tourist. India is a big market for us. It's always been an important market. It's always been a great market for us. Mr. Mano takes care of our market down here. He has an office which has been handling over for the last 10 years. We've been growing this market significantly, and we have been very close to our heart. India, as we all know, especially South India, the majority of the population, the Indian population back home in Malaysia, come from South India. As you can look for me, I'm from South India. Mr. Mano looks a bit mixed, but he's actually from South India as well.
So, we are very close to the South Indians back home. Close to about 6 million of the population back home are from South India. So we have this very close connection to you all. And we have been developing the Indian community back home in a very significant way. We have heavily promoted shooting of Indian films in Malaysia. We have brought down a lot of films from South India as well as from Bollywood. But of course, our key focus has always been South India. We have promoted Malaysia significantly via the various movies that's been shown and displayed in the cinema throughout the world. And we thank the producers from India, we thank the artists from India for choosing Malaysia.
So that's our beautiful Shreya with the little beast. But they are definitely very cute. And now, may I... Periasamy to present these tokens to our guests, please. Mrs. Brinda Prasad, Chair.
Andaki Namaskaram to to everyone who's keeping Rosa right now. Mubarak, Eid Mubarak from now, because very excited to go to Malaysia, been there for a shoot before. This is a special reason to be there in Malaysia. It's Saima, been part of Saima from the day it was born. I feel a special connection with it. It's a beautiful synergy where it brings all the South Indian films together. Lovely time to meet all your friends from different industries. Great time to know what's going on in different films, from different industries. And it's a lovely marriage to bring all the South Indian industries together. I congratulate Saima for doing it so well. And this time all over again in Malaysia. I feel South Indian films are doing wonderful business, are doing wonderful. And it's time that we make it international. When you do an award like this in a different country, abroad, you take your films internationally. People get to know about your films. There's a wider audience that understand your cinema. South Indian films are seen by everyone, everywhere in the world. A lot of times when I'm traveling abroad, I meet cab drivers from different countries altogether, and they talk about our films and they talk about our actors, and my heart is filled with pride at that moment. And I think it's a great way, brilliant idea. I congratulate Vishnu for doing it so well. And I'm just really excited to be there performing for Saima all over again. It's also my birthday on the 11th, so it'll be my birthday, come Saima, come movies. Sometimes I feel it's a beautiful dream that I'm part of films, and to celebrate it all over again with Saima is a dream come true. And if it's a dream, I'm happy and I would want to live with this dream forever. Thank you. I'm really excited to go there. Like I was talking to you guys, I'd love to go and scuba dive in Malaysia. It's beautiful. Was watching few pictures of some beautiful islands. Can't wait to get there. And that video about Malaysia was mind-blowing. What voice, what visuals. And to know that I'm going to be there is really exciting. Thank you.
Industry, Vishnu and his colleague Brinda, friends from Malaysia as well. We're glad to be associated with Saima simply because of the fact that it fits in beautifully with our entire marketing piece. As far as Micromax is concerned, the journey for us in the last 19 months has been stupendous. From 1.1 million handsets a month, we've shot to a run rate of almost 3.2 million handsets a month. 3.2 million is a lot. It's 32 lakh handsets every month, and that's a lot. As far as the strategy goes, it's all about MMS. It's all about music, movies, and sports. That's where our lead spends go into. We're happy to partner with Saima over here. Thanks to Vishnu and Ronak. You guys hit the button at the right time. After the Micromax Color Screen Awards, which was meant for the Bollywood industry, I think Saima is again truly a global platform which has a lot of meaning, because with an industry size of almost $500 million, which is your entire South industry for movies, I think it's a great avenue for Micromax to be part of this. We want to be the first Indian hardware brand to go global, and we're very close to it. We're not very far away from the leaders who I actually worked for almost 11 years, 4 months and 17 days. But what I'm trying to tell you over here is that entertainment is truly a great platform to connect with your consumers today, and with it, the products. So therefore, for us, we're going to launch 2 very new, fantastic products in Malaysia. As far as Micromax is concerned, we're happy to partner with long-term association with it. We just launched a very fabulous phone about a couple of weeks back called the Micromax Unite. Basically, it has 21 different languages talking already in this part of the world. It has all the 4 South languages very, very easily. Hope to see you guys very soon. I think it's going to be a great platform for Bollywood industry. Now it's time for the South to go. So all my wishes to Vishnu and team to Malaysia. I didn't see any golf courses. I hope there's some golf courses there. Brilliant. All right. So there you go. And looking forward to Saima this year.
Thank you so much, Mr. Shubhodip Pal. So,
sorry, the mic gets higher every time I come here. There you go, Saima, South Indian International Movie Awards. So అందరికీ నమస్కారం, ఎల్లరికీ వణకం. అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ 2 భాషలు నాకు పెద్దగా రావు, సో మాట్లాడిన అందులో. So this is, I hosted Saima last year. I partied in Saima the year before that, and I'm hosting again. So firstly, I'll have to congratulate Vishnu, and he's been constantly driving this and driving it beautifully, better and better each year. తెలుగు సినిమాలు కానీ సౌత్ ఇండియన్ సినిమాలు కానీ ఒక అంతర్జాతీయ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ మీద ఉండాలంటే సైమా అనేది ఒక పెద్ద మెట్టు. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ దట్ ఐమ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు డూ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ మీ టు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Director, India Tourism, Malaysia, Mr. Manoharan.
Thank you, Vishnu. I think without Vishnu, with tiresome of working with us, dealing with us, to choose Malaysia as a venue for SIMA 2014, we have made a few trips and a lot of hesitations initially to choose Malaysia. But I think I'm very glad with all the supports that we have and the assurance from the government to support the SIMA for 2014. We are not only looking at these 1 year associations, if everything goes well, maybe for 2015 and onwards. And this SIMA as well, I hope is given them a platform, not only for the awards as an venue, as well for the film producers, as well directors, to look at Malaysia as a shooting locations. I was just talking to Rana. He was 2 months in Malaysia for a Telugu movie being shot. A lot of our South Indian movie being shot in Malaysia. We also promoting Malaysia as a destination, location for film shoots. A lot of incentives offered by our film corporations. So I hope this will become a platform for the directors to look at it, not only in Kuala Lumpur, to recce all the other places.
SIMA successfully has completed its first 2 editions in the Middle East, and we're all set to take off with our 3rd edition in Malaysia. And I'd really like to thank Mr. Tony and the Malaysian Tourism for partnering with us and being our tourism partner. And welcome Micromax into the SIMA family. And like you said, it's going to go on. And thank you, Rana and Shreya. They've always been a part of us. They're like SIMA family now. South Indians are spread wide across the globe, but if you see the revenues that we generate are far less from the industry. At SIMA, our motto is to promote South Indian cinema worldwide and also to take our South Indian stars closer to their favorite people. Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good.
You look nice and green.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm performing. I'm very excited. One thing I'm really passionate about is dance. And SIMA is a great platform. You know, it's like all the industries are together, and you're performing in Malaysia. So extremely excited. I'm not really sure what songs I'm performing on though, and want to make it something really special like last year. But let's see. We're still working on. Do you have any ideas? Yeah.
Who's going to be your choreographer for this?
Sorry.
Your choreographers.
I think, I'm not sure, but Homer's from Homer's, right? Yeah, Homer's from Bombay is choreographing. He choreographed my last act where I performed in songs in Sridevi. It was SIMA's way of saying thank you to her for her lovely songs and her dance. So he choreographed that, and I think this time again he'll be doing that. He's extremely talented.
That's not a very nice thing to say, that I was a center of attraction amongst males.
I mean to say among other
Yeah, I was
males,
only
you were
male who had a
looking-
ponytail last time, but is that what you meant?
Even the dress was a different designer wear dress that you spoke to us. So.
Yes. Thank you very much, but still don't have my wardrobe ready, because this year is a slightly larger Rana that's going there. Thanks to Bahubali, so I guess I'll still set that together.
Are we seeing you performing there?
Well, I think there are many people who perform, but there are very few people who speak. And so I think Vishnu wants me to speak more than perform, so I'm going to host that show.
You go more into martial arts and all, like you're learning. So are you going to perform something like Malaysian martial arts or something there?
Well, I haven't learned Malaysian martial arts, but I'd love to. I actually, because Tony and all of them are here, I have to tell them that the last time I was in Malaysia, I took an Aikido course in Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, so yeah, I know a little bit of that, but not good enough to perform.
Thank you.
I had a really good time in Dubai last year. Like I said, meeting everyone, and I was performing in Dubai. And then I also hosted a bit of show with with Rana and Jamie. That was a lot of fun. The backstage madness and making sure you're ready for the show at the time. And it's just the madness. It's just the fun of just being there on stage and being in front of your fraternity and being there for them. And I think that's the madness and that's the fun part. Other than that,
Talk about them, but because I host and I talk a lot of nonsense on stage.
History of yours in South that you ever worked with, who would that be?
incidentally, last time when Nag asked me the same, I was totally confused. It was for his show and I asked for audience poll. Yeah. Well, one actor, I've learned a lot with every actor. I know all my actors really well, and I know the family really well. I know their kids really well. I know their cousins really well. So it's a great relationship. I'm very happy that I managed to create. That's one thing I'm very proud of. All the people I work with are great friends, and I've learned something special with all of them. But one actor, I think, well, I was like a nobody in Tamil film industry, and one person who changed that all for me is, of course, Mr. Rajnikant. If it wasn't for him, he just, I think, being Tamil Chelvi in Shivaji changed a lot. So I'm very grateful to him and Shankar sir. But apart from that, every actor, like, very, 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 very special. And one industry I can't really choose, but yes, if it wasn't for Telugu people tolerating me in first few years, if it wasn't for giving me Santosham after Ishtam, where if it wasn't for Nag, who when Ishtam was not even released, there was not even one single shot that he saw of my...
This was in the paper today. I mean, it was throughout South Asia, throughout Southeast.
Coming up to position films made in South Indian origin or South Indian languages in different parts of the world. We have very large films coming out of this country, where the last film I can speak about is a film called Iga that in some strange way we've been associated with. That's kind of taken Telugu cinema to a degree where the world is actually watching us now. And there are a bunch of more films coming up which have truly international audiences. They're coming in different languages, they're being dubbed in foreign languages, they're being subtitled in foreign languages. So I think this is probably the best time to be here, and then I or all the other actors that are part of this are going to make all efforts to make sure this is global.
Thank you.
Thank you.